Hi. Hi, Tyler.
Hi, how's it going?
Hi, good. You can put your stuff there in the back.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
I'm Rob. So we're just gonna get us out of here. It's really busy around here
Yeah, fair enough.
this time of day, so we'll start in a little more
Calmer area.
calmer area.
Yeah, fair enough, man.
Trying to get out of here.
Notice any tension or fear that arises in your body.
Cool. Oh, yeah.
Another one that's really bad too is St. Charles.
Oh.
Trying to pick up people there.
And acknowledge these feelings without judgment.
They changed the way you get in and out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Last year.
Yeah, since last year they did.
It's okay to feel this way.
Everybody was all confused because the buses were going where the people were getting picked up.
Right, yeah.
And it was all backwards. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, fair enough. So, how's your day going?
Pretty good. Not bad. Busy.
Busy, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Always busy.
Oh,
Never a dull moment.
fair enough.
It's okay to feel this way.
So how much driving experience do you have there so far?
So far, I mean, I've been driving back from work with my brother and stuff like that, like most days when I was working not full-time, but part-time, and I had a co-op through school, so I was able to work half the day, so anytime you would drive me home from work after, I'd be able to drive, which was cool.
Yeah, from where to where?
From Lively to New Sudbury.
Oh, that's a nice little trip. Okay.
Yeah.
Lively's. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, it's good to hear because I get some students that they don't have any whatsoever.
Oh.
First time behind the wheel sort of thing. So, they don't, plus too, like a lot of people have access to their own vehicle or their parents are maybe too scared to take them.
It's okay to let go of these feelings.
Yeah,